a listening ear for parents, a helping hand during difficult times, a partner to teachers and staff, and a champion for every child who walks through the doors. But perhaps what stands out most is something many of us witness every single day. Each morning, before class begins, she can be found standing at the entrance, greeting students by name, offering words of encouragement, smiles, and making sure every child feels welcome and valued. Think about that for a moment. She is there every single morning. How many schools can say their parent coordinator greets students every morning? How many schools have someone so committed that they make their mission to ensure children begin each day knowing they are seen, supported, and loved? That level of dedication is rare, that commitment is extraordinary, and that level of service deserves to be celebrated. Today, we are honored that the Office of Borough President, Antonio Renuso, is recognizing this remarkable individual for her outstanding contributions to the children and families of Brooklyn. The PTA is also proud to present a special award in appreciation of her unwavering dedication, tireless advocacy, and the countless ways she shares her strength and our community. To the person we honor today, thank you for your service, your leadership, your compassion, and your belief in the power of community. Thank you for making every family feel welcome and every child feel important. Thank you for being the heart of Langston Hughes Elementary School. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand and give Ms. Tanisha a round of applause.